This is the SmallRig Andyax version 2 Creators Toolkit. For some reason, I just like buying toolkits from other creators. Today, we're going to show you what's inside of this. It comes in this fancy dandy little briefcase right here. As you can see what it looks like. Got little pieces on the bottom. You can put your name on the front, and then it's got these latches right here that you unlock and open that bad boy. And inside you have SmallRig Andyax. You can see right here, it comes included with a little air blower thing. You've got a pen. You've got mounts and accessories on the top right, piece of paper, tape, gaff tape, and a whole bunch of different dual head wrenches. You've got 3/8 inch all the way down to 2, 2.5, 3, and 4. You've got these little packets in the front to put stuff, and then this actually opens up. Open this bad boy. And inside of here, oh, there's an HDMI cable. We have a SmallRig HDMI cable for monitors, some SmallRig cable organizers, 3M tape with name stuff on it. Didn't even know that was in there. We have all kinds of little gaff tape, red, yellow, blue, green, and then a big black gaff tape as well. We have little foam inserts, a SmallRig paper right here, a SIM card, a little tool, micro tool here that does a whole bunch of little things, our fluffer. Whoa. Maybe a sensor cleaner, a variety of pins and screws depending on what you need. And lastly, a little SmallRig case to be able to hold all kinds of cards from CF Express Type A, SD card, micro SD cards, all in here safely. Make sure it protects everything and it slides easily right into the case. This is the Andyax Creator Toolkit. We'll have a link down in the description down below. If you do plan to buy it, help support the channel. Now, is this thing worth it? I think you can buy a lot of these accessories on your own. Was it cool to get a SmallRig and content creator collaboration toolkit box? Yes, but you can probably find a box that supports all these devices in a smaller carrying case and be able to outfit them easier. We do have a pegboard where we hang a lot of stuff, so maybe we'll hang these tapes and use some of this stuff. But are we gonna carry this box around and use this as a piece of equipment on a daily basis? Most likely not. It's just too big. There's not enough stuff in here that we want to use directly, so I'd rather kind of build it and customize it on our own. There's a link down below. Click that link, help support the channel. Subscribe if you want to see future videos. We bought this ourselves. SmallRig did not send it to us. But SmallRig, if you want to send us cool gadgets in the future to make videos about, let us know in the description down below.